Yes, it's Coco right here, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you support and resistance. So, support and resistance, once you master them in the market, making money in the financial market becomes extremely easy. However, majority of traders out there have no idea on how to use this support and resistance. They have absolutely no idea on how to interpret them and use them into their advantage. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you're going to use this to make money in the financial market. So if it is your first time coming to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload content you get notified. So what is support and resistance? The support and resistance are areas where we're waiting for price to get there. So this area consists of buyers and sellers. So this is what support looks like once price is heading into the level of support down, and then a bunch of buyers come into the market pushing the price to the upside. And a resistance is when price is heading up into a resistance level and sellers come into the market pushing the price to the downside. It is literally as simple as that. So now that you understand support and resistance, why are these areas so important? I mean, why do everyone talk about it? Why are they so important as they are key basic foundation for successful trade? These areas are so important because these are areas where price can come and have a reaction in your favor without having any obstacle on its way to letting it get to your take profit fast. So let me explain. Let's pretend that the price is heading down into a level of support. So as a good trader, you are destined to wait for price to come into a level of support and have a reaction right there and then head to the upside faster. So once price gets into your level of support, that support is going to give it an impulsive move for price to continue heading to the upside faster because it has reached the level of support, and then it's now going to head to the upside faster than if it were not be at the support level. So a resistance level is just a complete opposite. Price is heading up into a point of interest where there's a lot of buyers, and then it tends to push the price to the downside. So support and resistance are also known as points of interest. Let's say you're looking to buy, your support is going to be your point of interest, and then when you're looking to sell, your resistance is going to be your point of interest. To make it simple, these are areas where a bunch of buyers and sellers come into the market, and whosoever wins pushes price in that level. So when you are at the support level and buyers win, they are going to push price to the upside. And then when you're at the resistance level and sellers win, they push price to the downside. So how are we now going to identify this support and resistance point of interest? So our point of interest can be found on any time frame. It could be 1 hour time frame, 2 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame. So a point of interest consists of 3 to 4 touches. So the more the touches, meaning the more rejections, meaning the more the level is going to respect. Because once price gets into that level, the chances or probability of winning that trade is going to be in a lot more in your favor. So support and resistance can be found on any time frame. It could be 1 hour time frame, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours time frame. So the higher the time frame, the more the level is going to respect. Because when price gets to a daily support and have, let's say, 4 rejections, that is good because daily time frame takes a lot longer time to move than, let's say, the 1 hour time frame, because 1 hour time frame move faster compared to the daily time frame. So let's get into the chart. I'm going to teach you how I personally use support and resistance every single day to make money in the financial markets. So right here on the chart, this is a Japanese candlestick form of reading the chart. As you guys can see right here, these are candlestick forming in the market. So I'm going to set multiple examples, but before we get started, I'm going to show you how it looks simple on the line chart. So looking at the line chart here, this is what we call an ideal level of support. This is an ideal level of support because we have one tab right here, we have another tab right here, we have another tab right here. So making it an ideal level of support. So what we're basically going to be doing is we are going to wait for price to come back into this level.
So once price gets into this level again, we could be interested in buying the trade because there is high probability of this trade going to the upside because it has done it multiple times in the past. So it's going to go up aggressively. So what would be the valid level of resistance? So a valid level of resistance is going to be this right here because we have one tab, we have another tab right here, we have another tab, we have another tab. So what we're basically going to be doing right here is we are going to be waiting for this market to come all the way to this upside right here so that we can look for an opportunity to sell, right? Obviously, we are going to be trading on the candlestick charts. So I was just showing you how it looks simple on the line chart. So let's get started on the candlestick chart. So right here we have a valid level of support and resistance. So this is a valid level of support, right? Because the market gave us one tab right here. We have another tab right here. We have another tab. We have another tab right here. We have another tab right here, so making it a valid level of support, right? So on the other hand, a valid level of resistance is this one right here. We have a one tab, we have another tab right here, we have another tab, we have another tab, another tab, another tab, making it a valid level of resistance. So this is actually simple.
As you guys can see, support and resistance is not something difficult or something you should be scared of in the market. So if this video is useful, please can you do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, comment, like, and don't forget to join our Telegram group. The link is in the description box. See you guys in the next video.